Welcome back to Adams Automotive. Today we're going to be working on this 1995 F250 to 7.3 Power Stroke. Got the helper out here today. We're going to be replacing these cab lights. I already took them off. It's just 2 bolts, and then if it has silicone like this one, they leak really bad, and that's why we're changing them. But they had a bunch of silicone around them, so you just cut your silicone and pry them off. And then right now I'm just cleaning up the silicone and scraping it off, get it nice and clean. I'm gonna show you guys that. But here's the new ones. They're LED. They just came off Amazon, but they look pretty good. They plug right into the original sockets. You don't have to do any wiring. And then I'm gonna run some silicone around the inside, not the outside, so they don't leak, and they should look pretty cool up there. Next step though, we gotta get some matching clear headlights with the LEDs in them. Get rid of these old grandpa headlights. So I'm just using this little scraper blade tool. I had one with a razor blade on it, but the blade was dull. I don't have any extras right now, so it kind of sucks, but this thing gets the job done, just a little dull. Pretty much just come in here. Yeah, the roof flexes a lot, so just be careful not to bend it. And you just scrape all that off. You can see I got these 2 done. I'm gonna clean it up real good before I put the new lights on. So I got all or most of the silicone scraped up, so I'm gonna use some spray away glass cleaner, because this stuff's like magic. Works on everything. Just spray it around the area. I'm just trying to clean it up. See this one? You can see a little bit of that, but that'll get covered up with the new foam and new silicone, so that should seal. You really just want all the big lumps out, something that will bulge up high enough to create a water leak. So I'm gonna clean all these off, get it prepped, and then we'll be ready to start installing. Had to take a quick food break. So I got this one installed already just to make sure I know how to do it, which I haven't done it in a while. So I took the caulk gun and ran a little bead. You can see where the old cab lights were, and you don't want it to be right on the edge. I ran it in probably about 1/2 inch, and then up around the outside of these screw holes, all the way around. And then I got my light, plugged it in, which I'll show you guys here in a minute. And I got my screws started in here and kind of lowered it down and screwed it down. And it shot the excess out the side, so I wiped it up, and then I put a little bit, as you can see, over top of the screws, made sure there's no pinholes in it, so then it can't leak through the actual bolt head. These 2 driver's side lights, since this is where we think the leak was coming from, I'm gonna put a second ring of silicone on the inside there, so just in case water does make it past this outer seal and this foam, now it can't get in down through the hole, because right now it's leaking somewhere in here on the inside, dripping down all over the steering wheel, which it could be the windshield too, but that's already been caulked a long time ago. Maybe I have to strip it up and redo it, but I just want to show you guys that. You can add this ring to all of them. It doesn't hurt nothing, just a little extra more silicone. So I got them all installed. Same way I showed you, you just twist your bolts down in there, press it down, clean up the caulk around the edges, and then caulk the bolt holes themselves so it can't leak. Pull the switch out. Nice and bright LEDs. We'll get some pictures of them outside at the end of the video here. Now, like I was saying, we gotta change out those headlights sooner than later, because now they look dumb. We got orange halogen lights up there and then LEDs up here. So this is what they look like when they're on. Like I was saying, it kind of looks dumb with these old lights and the new ones, but we're getting there. The headlights will be ordered soon. They look great, very bright. The camera's kind of weird, it makes it fuzzy because the lights are really bright. I don't know if that's just the way my phone, the settings are on it or what, but get some more flips here and that'll be the end of the video.